In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Google Analytics code. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your Google Analytics measurement ID, the code you need to connect your website or app to Analytics. First, open your Google Analytics account. Head to analytics.google.com and sign in with the Google account that has access to the property you want to track. If you manage multiple sites or apps, take a second to confirm you're in the right account and property at the top of the screen so you grab the correct code. Next, go to Admin. You'll find the Admin gear icon in the lower left corner of the Analytics interface. This is where all the property level settings live. In the Admin area, look at the Property column. Make sure the property you intend to use is selected. Now click Data Collection and Modification. This section groups together the tools related to how data enters your property. Within this section, select Data Streams. Data streams are the connection points that send data from your website or app into Google Analytics. Choose the specific data stream you want. If you're setting up a website, pick the web stream that lists your site's domain. If you're working with a mobile app, choose the iOS or Android stream that matches your app. Clicking the stream opens its details panel. Here's the key part. On the Stream Details page, look for Measurement ID. This is your Google Analytics code for GA4. It typically starts with the letter G followed by a dash and several characters. Click the copy icon next to the Measurement ID to copy it to your clipboard. That's the exact code most website builders, plugins, and tag managers ask for when they request your Google Analytics ID. A couple of quick tips. If you need the full JavaScript snippet for a manual install, you'll find it in the same data stream panel under Tag Instructions. If you don't see Data Collection and Modification or Data Streams, make sure you're in a GA4 property rather than a legacy Universal Analytics property. And if you can't access these settings, you may need editor or administrator permissions from your organization. That's all there is to it. Open your Google Analytics account, go to Admin, choose Data Collection and Modification, open Data Streams, select the correct stream, and copy the measurement ID. Keep that code handy for your site or app setup, and you'll be ready to start tracking. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.